We are pleased to present this video to you on behalf of Seasoned Solutions Advisor LLC. Our video aims to give you useful information you can use to improve your life and the lives of your family members. Please consult a lawyer who is knowledgeable about your issue for legal advice, as our videos are intended for educational purposes and do not provide any legal advice. Subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos are all ways you can support us. What do credit repair companies do? A credit repair company is your agent that analyzes your credit history and helps you dispute items that are not correct. All data reported to the bureaus is subject to being incorrect because of errors made when entering the data. Your credit repair company agent will need you to help verify the data in the report. All discrepancies in the data will be disputed to either the credit bureau companies or the furnishers of data or both. However, you must understand that this process is long and requires patience and good record keeping as well as your cooperation. Repairing your credit score is a team effort. Are you ready to team up? Do you need a credit repair coach? Are you ready to increase your score? Are you ready to control your debt? Our sincere thanks go out to you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Our goal is to bring you life-changing content, and the simple acts of subscribing, liking, and sharing are how you help us do so.